Can I bind countless iPhones or iPads in AirDroid? The iOS version of AirDroid only has file transfer and file management features, and it can indeed bind countless devices. How many Android phones can be bound with the free version of AirDroid? The free version of AirDroid allows you to bind up to 2 Android phones, meaning you can remotely control 2 Android devices. How can I bind a new device in AirDroid? Simply log into the same account on the new device as on the old one. Can I back up Android phone images and videos to a computer with AirDroid? The free version of AirDroid only backs up images, while the premium version can back up both images and videos.